Right? Right, guys? Welcome to another video on Scylla's Stuffing Things. Without Scylla, so it's just stuffing things.
I'm things.
Watch 3 amateurs try to cook dinner when she's not here. 4 maybe. Maybe we can get Abby to help. We'll see. So let's get cooking. Alright. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh.
Thank you, HelloFresh.
So we've got to choose our meal tonight. We're going to try to cook it, and we're going to follow the directions.
Which one are we doing?
No, we had already picked. We're going to do the crispy cheddar chicken because we know that that Abby will definitely eat this. So that's what we're going to go with. And it seems like it's the easiest. Like it's the, I keep standing in front of Summer. Like it's the least challenging. So we're going to give this a shot. Although I don't know, maybe we do better at the most challenging. That's couscous. I don't even know how you cook. I don't even know what couscous really is.
I didn't even know that was couscous by looking at it.
Yeah,
What
that's
is it?
couscous.
Do you know what couscous
Which part is couscous?
That part. So you may not know this, but sponsored videos, there are talking points in those sponsored videos that they would like you to talk about because, you know, we can talk about what we like about HelloFresh, and we will. There's also things they would like us to say, though, but we don't know what they are because I don't have that. Priscilla does.
Right.
And she's not here.
We're going to find that out, though.
Right.
For right now, what are we going to do?
Cue the voiceover.
Okay.
HelloFresh has the highest quality ingredients, and over 90% of them are sourced directly from growers, so you get the highest quality, freshest recipes at your door every week. Flexibility is something that HelloFresh prides itself in. You can change your delivery at any time. You can pause it for a week, say if you're going on vacation, or if you're looking for low-calorie options or vegetarian options, HelloFresh can help you out there as well.
One cool thing about HelloFresh is that it cuts out stressful meal planning and trips to the grocery store, so you can enjoy cooking and dinner on the table in just 30 minutes.
Okay, well, there you go. That's,
good.
that's like all the stuff that you need to know right there. And we'll tell you, like I said, we'll tell you what we like. What a handy bag it comes in, huh?
I know.
Do we have the right meats here that we grabbed out of the fridge?
Bacon. More bacon.
Use my code STUFFINTHINGS80 to get $80 off across 5 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. Make sure you check the link in my description down below for more details.
Broccoli.
More broccoli. Potatoes.
So, no, Mom's favorite part is that all this stuff comes like exactly how much you need.
Yeah.
Right.
So you waste less
Right.
because of it.
You don't have to buy that 5-pound bag of potatoes
It's like Mary Poppins
just
bag.
for them to grow in your pantry.
Does that freak anybody else out?
Yeah, it's gross,
Potatoes
right?
start to grow.
Yeah, they got little
They're
sprouts.
like little zombie potatoes. They're like, we will survive in the darkness.
Go get her, Cheddar.
That's actually what it
That's
says.
funny. Go get her, Cheddar.
And fry seasoning. Oh.
Your
So we're gonna put this right here. This is our trash bag.
Thanks, HelloFresh.
How
for the
convenient
trash
is that? And everything's recyclable as
Yeah.
well.
oh,
case you
that's,
didn't know.
That's
cool.
cool.
I like
I
that.
didn't actually know that. Hold on, let me go get down and get the seasonings. Let me just. Hey, got the seasoning.
And preheat oven to 425.
Preheat oven to 425.
Lightly oil a baking sheet. Wash and dry all produce. Right?
It's a leaf because it's fresh.
Oh.
Hello?
No,
Get it?
going for it.
Because it's fresh. Hello? Come on. Diced potatoes.
Seasoning.
Yep.
Seasoning.
Seasoning.
And salt and pepper. That's what the kids are using. That was cool. Did you see that?
Mm.
I was impressed.
Don't pat the chickens like that.
Here you go.
They're just trying to live, dog.
No. Meat drummers! Have you ever seen iCarly?
What?
Meat drummers.
No.
People who watch iCarly will know what that means.
Okay, seasoned and flat.
Salt and pepper.
Oh, salt and pepper.
Right here. You want me to do it?
Yeah. Pinch.
It's going great, guys.
Pepper there. Okay. Salt. Salt.
This is so weird.
It's not much of a pinch.
Sorry, I'm trying.
Okay.
Okay.
Pepper.
Don't you have to salt and pepper both sides?
Yeah. Pepper.
Okay.
Salt.
I'm gonna just mash these chickens together real quick.
That's good. All right.
Okay, so now we are going.
Why do you slap them?
I don't know.
What's with the slapping?
No.
Yes.
No.
Calm down, dude. It's just mayo.
Wow. Thin layer. Even. What's wrong, sweetheart?
Have you seen
Yeah,
you
we're
guys?
cooking.
A little more on that one. That one deserves a little more salt.
Carefully toss broccoli on opposite side of sheet for chicken with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then you roast on the top rack until broccoli is browned and tender and chicken is cooked through. 15 to 20
Is
minutes.
this a chicken paper towel? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need olive oil,
Olive oil.
and your salt and your pepper.
Now what is that from?
You didn't add.
I'm gonna add.
I said add.
Stop yelling at me.
It says add. And then mash.
I'm gonna start the mash and then continue with the add. Where's my stuff? You want to open it up for me?
White flag. What do you need?
Oh my god, how many times have I
The
said
sour cream and the cheddar.
it? And 2 tablespoons of butter.
Hey, don't get attitude. You're below
Can
the
you get
sous
me
chef.
2 TBSPs?
Tablespoon.
Not
this good
TSPs? Yeah, that should be enough.
And there you go.
Is that for a double though? Because we have a double order.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double order going out.
2 tablespoons for 4 servings.
Is that 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we should start in. I think we should top it with. Yeah. All right. So this is done.
Well, that's what. Ooh, look, you and HelloFresh were together. Chopped potatoes
See?
with remaining bacon
See,
and
it's
chives.
a presentation.
So you can mix
No,
it in and put it on top.
Yeah, you do both.
They counted for both.
Well, that seems risky.
Just follow.
I literally read you an instruction
follow
from the page like, no.
directions.
Nope.
But wouldn't it look better with like more bacon on top?
No, it looks
It
fine.
would look good mixed in too. Cheese soul.
Don't be difficult.
Power off, because we're done. We're almost done.
We're almost
We're
done.
almost done.
One of the things I like about HelloFresh
Yes.
is that you try things you wouldn't normally try.
True.
Like none of the stuff we've ever cooked is in like mom's regular cycle of meals that we cook all the time. And we love mom's cooking, but it's fun to try new stuff.
Yeah, it is.
So
Well, I think Priscilla gets a lot of inspiration too from it
She
after,
certainly
you know,
does.
like she's like, ooh, that was cool. We could do that with something else.
burgers are always a big one. Their burgers are always like so much flavor.
Yeah, remember
Yeah.
that one time we made it with the chipotle mayo?
Yeah, and we're like, that's what we're doing from now on. It's
That
really
was
good.
so good.
Oh yeah, I remember that. That was
Did
really
you put
good.
salt and pepper in here?
No, I did not.
Can I?
Yeah. Mix, 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 mix. That's
A little
it?
bit more.
Are you hungry though?
In a circle.
That's the moment we've all been waiting for. This video to be over.
No, it was a good video.
The plating.
We deserve more credit. We did good.
We definitely cooked good. Well, we haven't tasted it yet, but
That's true.
my assumption is that it's good.
It seems good. It looks good.
It looks incredible.
With the cheese and stuff, it reminds me of like when we used to do keto and had the cheese
On everything?
pizzas, cheese,
Literally.
yeah, literally everything.
Just
baked,
cheese.
baked cheese all the time. It looks so good. Those were the tastiest parts of our lives, and now we get to have cheese again.
Bam! Look at that.
That looks good. I'm impressed with us.
That
looks legit.
Looks good.
That looks really good.
Okay. I'm not one to make false claims, but I think HelloFresh can turn you into a chef. Cause look what we just made. And this guy does eggs. What's your best thing you cook?
A grilled cheese.
I make a killer breakfast casserole.
I can make a. Why do we only make breakfast?
Hey, I help Priscilla with almost every dinner. I feel like I'm pretty qualified.
I can make breakfast burritos.
But look what we did. We made an entire meal
We did.
just now. Thank you, HelloFresh.
Thanks, HelloFresh.
Hello.
Wink. Okay, first taste. All right, let's see. Hello.
Fresh.
No. No.
This has been the corniest ad.
Sponsored video ever.
Yeah, sponsor video ever.
It is so good though. I'm impressed.
That chicken's incredible.
Cheddar.
I like the broccoli too. And the broccoli's just like seasoning. You know?
Yeah, it's very
really
basic.
nothing done to it, but it's really good.
Do you like it?
Hey, is it good? Yes.
It genuinely is awesome. We like it a lot. I hope you guys had fun with this video. We certainly did. You know, just goofing. New food goofing. So the link and the code for everything is down below. We talked about that earlier. But thanks, HelloFresh. You know, you allow Priscilla to do what she does on her channel, and we appreciate that. And you make awesome food. So I mean, we made awesome food. But you provided the ingredients and instructions for said awesome food. Thank you, as always. She says as always. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Bye.